Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, please provide the live broadcasting on televisions worldwide about my live testimony and displaying the scandal of absolute monarchs, Pope Francis, Queen Elizabeth II, the Antichrist, that's Lucifer, the Satans. And then I will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in less than 1 minute. Okay, that is 60 seconds. So this testimony is about deadliest Pope Francis, Satan alias Lucifer alias Antichrist created leprosy, domestic violence type orphan to damage human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. And I am true supreme civil judge standing in front of entire orphan population worldwide, across the globe, across the continents, across the islands, and I am the mouthpiece for entire orphan population who cannot talk, and I sure will get civil justice for entire orphan population worldwide, count by count. So that means Pope Francis, absolute monarchs first have to kill me. Only then can absolute monarchs can even think of to create any more further damages to any of the innocent civilians worldwide. Okay, and just be aware that I am the rock that is anchored in oceans and the toughest of any toughest, and I am that I am born to save the world from evil dark ages of Rome. Jesuit, Antichrist, Satan, organization leader, Pope Francis, the Antichrist, and the teams. So, do you all know why absolute monarchs Pope Francis is Satan is proved? Pope Francis the Satan provided extreme Jesuits hell tax mandate and never allowed population to read Holy Bible, and then Christians were prosecuted always by Pope Francis worldwide, Europe nations, Eurasia nations, Middle East nations, Islam nations, and in other Asian nations worldwide. It is this scandal has been going on forever. That needs to be fixed now. Okay, so Europe population, they really ran for their life without any awareness from Europe to get into the land of the brave called USA, without any awareness that USA is extended version of Europe, and it is a Europe jail. Got it? The entire United States of America continent, that piece of land mass, is being built for a prison facility for entire worldwide population, so that nobody will know what exactly is going on inside the United States of America. Got it? So USA nation is an extended version of Europe, Babylon, the jail, the prison, where humans will be slaves forever to Queen of England Elizabeth II forever. And that is exactly what it is written in the Statue of Liberty in the hand. But sadly, nobody knows that. Even USA government never knows that, because the Statue of Liberty is so fancy enough, and the illusion blinded the eyes of the USA government. Okay, and that is the nature of the cunning patients, foolish patients, and they are very good at that, fooling innocent people. And USA nation is an innocent nation. They destroyed it, and that is the crime. The crime is the deadliest because the absolute monarchs destroyed USA nation in pieces, and civil justice must be provided. So that is why I stand in front of each and every single nation, and I will get civil justice for all the nations, not only for USA, for entire nations. I am the only one who is going to get the civil justice for all nations. Okay, because the government should not be broken in pieces. That itself is an error. That itself is $1 trillion error. When a nation is having a broken government operations, that nation is disqualified to be a nation, enough to be sealed and shut down for national endangerment process, right? And it's disqualified to be a nation. See, you all should know that why exactly USA's nation is handcuffed by me, and that is a super blessing, right? Because when you're handcuffed by the right people at the right time, that is good. Because I am the only one who is going to guide USA, slap you a foolish nation USA, and then going to guide USA in a wisdom pathways, right? So, what is the more awareness? Statue of Liberty is absolute scam, and I have all proof, and I will explain that later. Okay, so be still and be known that I am born to save the world. Okay, so What is more public awareness? All nations and each USA nation as of January 2021 should never have any foolish leprosy domestic violence type orphan programs of any type and any versions and variations. And Pope Francis, Satan, Lucifer, Antichrist, Lipaprica, Jesuits mandated enforced foolish leprosy domestic violence type orphan versions worldwide to destroy human brain nerve cells, to be destroyed with exponential pain, tortured with exponential pain and agony to be increased and inflicted on each human brain nerve cells, to be tortured forever. For what? What is the scope? What is the scope behind, or what is the objective behind creating all this hell? For only tax mandate, hell process, code of abuse law of Vatican hell creator worldwide, and destroyed humanity with fatal negligence and enforced human brain nerve damages worldwide for entire human population. 7.9 plus billions of human brain nerves has been destroyed. So medical compensation must be provided immediately as of now. And Pope Francis should resign, and I should become the Vatican leader now. That is the civil justice served, because the entire human kingdom has to be protected, saved from more further damages, right? Pope Francis cannot keep on creating hell after hell after hell after. We are already in year 2021. We are already in the enough is enough mode. And governments cannot fool the population anymore. Medical services cannot fool innocent population anymore, because I am there. I am a true civil doctor there, standing in entire front of entire human kingdom, and the medical services cannot fool me, right? Because they are all in the handcuffed mode. Entire medical providers, the services, the hospitals or doctors or whoever, they are all in a handcuffed mode, and it's all for good reason. Okay, it's a wisdom processing, which I will keep on explaining later, which I will explain later as and when needed. Because right now I am providing fastest way of civil justice sign off, right? Pope Francis should be resigned immediately, and all the proofs must be displayed to the all nations. That way, as a team process, healthy, affordable, comprehensive solutions can be signed off, right? Each second Pope Francis is living, it's engagement to each nation. He is disqualified to live in the nation at the first place, right? Should not be living. Okay. In disease life cycle, always disease creator is the highest at fault and never innocent based on severity of disease. Death penalty is healthy human wellness process is a birthrights and awareness that each civilians must be aware of why exactly there is excellent healthy death penalty process meeting human standards always. Okay. So, absolute monarch Satan's only created foolish leprosy domestic violence type orphan for tax mandate process and for only fanatic love of crown. So, and it's also for a tax mandate process for the absolute monarch Satan's to eat the tax dollars that rightfully belongs to civilians worldwide. Okay, so death penalty is in Volcano in Hawaii is healthiest human standards, excellent civil justice process, closure sign off, and it is guidelines as in Holy Bible, Book of Life, and absolute monarch Satan's, Pope Francis, Queen of England, etc., not written in the Holy Bible. Okay, so I call out by name who should get out of the earth and who should live in this earth now, starting with Pope Francis, Queen of Elizabeth, etc. They should get out of the earth. And the death penalty is only in Volcano in Hawaii. Okay, and I own all the nations. I am the native Indian tribe, and I am the true Israelite Christian Jew, and I am the only wisest among the 7.9 plus billions of humans right now. That is why all nations should listen to me, and only to me, nobody else. USA should do the task which I already assigned. Have Pope Francis resign immediately, and have I am to be the Vatican leader immediately. Right? Supreme Chief Judge of USA immediately. And then Supreme Chief Medical Director to guide all the medical services worldwide immediately means that is the wisest choice the foolish USA nation can do now, right now, to help entire human kingdom. Everybody will be saved and protected, because I am the one who is going to take care of the 7.9 billions of humans as my own family. because everybody is my blood drops. I know that, and I will explain all those details in later as needed. Okay, I do not have that time because I have to sign off the civil justice, right? Pope Francis should be resigned immediately, right? And I should be the Vatican leader immediately. That is very important task that USA should be working on even before starting the new government. Because I am the only one who is going to stand in front of the USA government and going to guide Senate what the Senate have to do, how to do the Senate operations. And I am going to guide Congress on how the Congress have to do, right? So that means they need a good leader to lead everybody on how to do tasks and guide them in the rightful way. I have to guide software world people to guide how to write the rightful, healthy, affordable software line of codes, right? I can provide all the design tasks. I have to guide what the military should do, right? So that is why it is very important and very crucial for USA to sign off the job offer immediately to me without any delay, right? So I can even, I'm also saying I have to be the interim leader means to the other extent, okay, President Joe Biden elect and the inauguration and everything, the new government is all being set up even then, I can be the leader leading the entire USA government means I can even lead and guide President Joe Biden elect in a rightful pathways, which I have already the proof, right? I already provided the proof that the then Democrat administration, President Obama administration, and then President Trump administration, the Republican administration, they were listening only to me. I have all the proof. So that means when I become the Vatican leader, it defaults to I become the supreme judge and supreme medical director, and also the interim leader means I can quickly provide all the design solutions fastest and robo, and the entire USA government teams can listen to me and follow my instructions, right? Follow my instructions without asking me any questions, okay? And they can be providing the advisors, team panel advisors mode. That means the President Trump, President-elect Joe Biden can be an advisor in that group as a leader. President Joe Biden and the Vice President Kamala Harris can lead their that team, the government population. How I can be the leader above that USA government, and I can provide all the guidelines, and President-elect Joe Biden and Vice President-elect Kamala Harris can provide extended guidelines accordingly. Why? I am not a lawyer, but versus they are the lawyers, right? So they can provide an easy law verbiage accordingly and provide those solutions accordingly. So all I can provide is do this task, do that task, and in an easier, user-friendly way where it can be understood by anybody in the nation. And so that is an easier team effort process that can be provided. Okay, so that is why I am guiding everybody in a wisdom ways. So in this next 5 years of time, when I fix all the broken services, I'm going to rewrite amendments, I'm going to rewrite the Pledge of America, right? Pledge of America, then I'm going to rewrite the Declaration of Independence, so everything is going to be rewritten. So that I am going to do that. Why? Because I am the native Indian tribe. I am the true owner of all the nations, right? And when I am going to guide, all the USA government has to do is what? There will be a panel, there will be in a review panel teams who will going to get reviewed. They will do the review processing. I am going to put the law by law, everything, and then in a user-friendly layman way, and then they are going to put everything in the law verbiage process. So the healthy jobs are going to be created worldwide in everywhere. Even in the USA government, they are going to get new jobs that's going to be provided, right? Because whatever existing is a broken one, and that is separate. It is going to be like that. Because it cannot be sealed and shut down only because the population will be tortured. I already said I will only seal and shut down the existing government agency by agency. I will even seal and shut down entire Senate, entire Congress, everybody. Everybody is at fault and found guilty mode only. Nobody can escape the judgment process which I am providing, right? Because I am the true owner of USA. I will ask the Senate, I will ask the Congress, I will ask the GOP leader, Republican GOP leader, why, who on the earth is a Republican GOP leader to destroy US nation? I will ask. And I will seal and only shut down. But on the other end, with my new design and with the new 500,000 rewrite process, new jobs will be created in the USA government itself, meaning a new team, new organization team, and I will also provide all the guidelines, right? Everything. So that way, a new of everything, meaning new United States of government will be created, and then the healthy elections process can be provided. Got it? Always be remembered that the election process should be a holy process, and should be a festival that needs to be celebrated. But in United States of America, the election is a scandal and it's a hell mandate process. Always it's been like that. And the elections 2020 is a scandal is also proved, right? And I am saying the truth, and whatever I'm saying the truth, I'm absolutely positive that President-elect Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris will only be happiest that I'm explaining the truth and the real scandal of the Vatican that destroyed the USA operations. Because once when there is that understanding, then there can be we are all in the same page, same wavelength, same frequency on understanding of the scandal, the deadliest scandal of Vatican part. And then the team process can provide affordable solutions accordingly, right? So first immediate task what the USA government should do is lay off Pope Francis immediately. Because the Democrat government cannot do any task, because they are made into a different mode, and the Republican GOP leader and Republican GOP Congress, everything that tagged with the Republicans, they are going to provide roadblock after roadblock after roadblock. And that is why there needs to be a good leader to lead entire human kingdom in the rightful pathway. I will just slap on the absolute fools, the Republican populations, because they don't even know what scandal they are in, right? That displays the innocence upfront. Got it? See, innocent populations are, abusive population are innocent because they don't know what they are doing, because their brains have been damaged, right, beyond repair. If you are going to say to a Republican GOP leader, whatever the Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell is doing is absolutely a deadliest crime, enough to be thrown in jail, he cannot understand the severity of the crime he is doing, right? Because he is innocent. Innocent is displayed upfront. Though at fault, the innocent is displayed upfront because his brain nerves are damaged. Who damaged the brain cells of Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell? Only Pope Francis, right? So that is why we need to address and fix that root cause of that satanic forces. Got it? I can bail out the Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell and Republican government teams as in Congress, senators, everybody, because of the innocence is identified upfront. All I need is, when I want to sign off the civil justice, all I want is to identify who is innocent and who is not innocent. That is all is needed for me. I don't even have to know who the people are. I don't even want to see the people, right? And that is absolutely an excellent justice service process. I have to close my eyes and then provide unbiased justice. So Republicans are innocent and foolish. Okay. Now Democrats are innocent and also foolish, but there are different level of foolish levels, right? Okay. Now the definition for Republican, how they fool the entire population. See, the Republica means highest level of conservatives. right? What is the meaning of conservative means? They will take pride in being holding on to the traditional values. Got it? So they will so that is the definition for Republica, but in that is again a masking level. They identified the true meaning of a republic, and they wore a mask and as a layer, and then they destroyed everything, right? In the name of republic, I would say, in the name of republic, in the name of conservative, in the name of having traditional values only, they destroyed each and every single operation of USA government operations. So do you all know that as of today, Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell alone, as a standalone, should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to 7.9 plus billions of humans for the total damages done to the entire human kingdom because of the scandal of Vatican? However, what is the best I can do? I cannot forgive Mitch McConnell just because he's innocent, right? I can bail out. I can bail out all the Republican government world population for whatever destruction they have done to the US nation. They do not have any birthrights. And Republican GOP Mitch McConnell is an illegal immigrant. But what is the mask he's wearing? He hid the real identity. He ran for his life from Europe nations, right? Any civilian any European civilian in United States of America of today have 99.9%, I would say, are from Germany, right? When I'm calling it as a Germany, then defaults to Russia, right? Because all these continents were once Russia. When it is going to be Russia, then what is the umbrella? It was all Tamil Nadu. Got it? So that's why I'm telling only I can bail out the Republican government population count by count. See, Republican government GOP Mitchell is handcuffed mode actually, right? So Republican senator leaders are handcuffed mode. Each of them have to pay $500,000 trillion to entire human kingdom for damages done by Vatican is on brain nerve cells. But I do not want to put too much load, the tension, right, on the Republican, because I provide a healthy civil justice. My discipline is a very healthiest way, right? In other words, I would say my discipline is I have cane in my hand and I will discipline. That is it. Meaning I will not be at the back. I will, just by seeing me, people will get disciplined. Got it? So that means I will stand, and just by seeing me, Republican GOP, absolutely highest level of foolish patient, Republican GOP leader, McConnell Mitchell, sorry if I'm mispronouncing the name, I hope I'm using the rightful name, or I would say I will address it as a Republican GOP leader for an easier way. Okay, he is in handcuffed mode, right? He is at fault and found guilty in all counts of crime. So that means for having refugee programs, for having orphans program, for having homeless program, each and every single program is $1 trillion scandal. Got it? And I totally understand that the Republican population, the Republican government were also helpless because they are all puppets to Pope Francis. So Republican GOP leader is a puppet, absolute puppet and absolute slave to whom? So slave to Pope Francis, the Lucifer, the Satan, right? So whatever Pope Francis Lucifer is going to say, that is what the Republican GOP leader is going to do. So in front of the population here, who is made to look at guilt? In the front of population, the Republican GOP leader is made to look at guilt, right? And fear, shame, and look at fault-like mode. But who really made him to look guilt? Only the Satan, absolute monarch, Pope Francis, the Lucifer. So don't you all think that civil justice must be served? Just by Pope Francis, Jesuit leader, is resigning immediately from the Vatican, and I become the Vatican leader, I can bail out entire Republican population, right? And I can even protect the entire Democrat population as well. See, Democrats are not angels, and not all the Democrats are angels, and not all the Republicans are devils or evils. Okay, that you should know, right? So, so what is the Democrat meaning? The real meaning for Democrat is for the humans, for the people, to the people, by the people. So that itself is a scandal. Got it? Like how the Republicans have been hide the real identity of the Republican meaning of traditional values. The Democrats, they were fooling population using that in the name of Democrat, in the name of democracy, in the name of democracy only. They have been doing their own way of hell creation and torturing population. So even they are handcuffed mode actually. So that means even the Democrat GOP leader is also handcuffed mode. Got it? So when I am providing a justice, it's the same. And when I am providing a justice weighing scale on left and right, the Republican GOP leader is also handcuffed, and Democrat GOP leader is also handcuffed mode. So nobody can mock nobody. Democrats cannot mock Republicans. Republicans cannot mock Democrats, because everybody is on the same boat. Everybody is on handcuffed mode right now. So the Democrats cannot escape the judgment telling that, oh no, Republicans only were in having all the control, so we could not do anything. No, they cannot do that, right? Because when it is justice, they should have stand in front and talked only justice only, regardless. They should have slapped the entire Republican government population count by count, and they should have standard and should have educated only wisdom to the foolish Republican government population. They did not do that. So that is an error. That is the guilt. That is the at fault mode. Got it? So that means, as of now, even the Republican GOP, Democrat GOP leader, Schumer, right? I will address Democrat GOP leader, okay, to be in the same page. Should also pay $500,000 trillion for the entire human kingdom for the brain damages done by Vatican, is severity highest. So I only can bail out, right? I only can bail out the Democrat government population also. I only can bail out. That means I only can bail out the newly elected President-elect Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris. I only can bail out them. Nobody. Because I only can educate the wisdom, and everybody will understand the wisdom education which I am providing, right? Because there is a deadly scandal that's been going on behind the scenes, and that needs to be stopped immediately. And President Joe Biden elect is an absolute slave and puppet to Pope Francis. Got it? So can you all see the scandal on layer level? On one side, Republican GOP leader is an absolute slave and puppet to Pope Francis. So he is going to provide his way of roadblock. And Democrat GOP leader is also puppet and slave to Pope Francis, and he is going to provide his language of roadblocks. And Pope Francis, Joe Biden, President Joe Biden elect, is also a puppet to Pope Francis, and he is going to provide his way of roadblocks. So can you see the layers and damages level on the micro level of roadblocks that will be provided, and the governments will be always fighting with each other, right? Divided government. And then the population will be the tortured mode. Why? I already said all the government population are highly salaried people. They have enough finance in their bank accounts. They do not have to worry about being unemployed, right? They do not even have to worry about being financially disabled. So they will, it's a luxury them to be seated on the government to just get paid for just sitting lazy, not doing anything. I would say they are lazy people, right? The government population in United States of America, they are lazy people, meaning that is why they are not able to get things done in the fastest way. When a non-living thing, television or a computer or software is broken, people get mad. They fix it immediately. Do you all know how much torture and the workload will be loaded on the workforce in the software world when the software services has been broken in pieces? Government should know. Government should know how the people are getting tortured in the workforce in the software world everywhere, time zone, regardless of the time zone worldwide. They're tortured because their workload is being overloaded when the system does not work. And what for? It's a non-living thing, right? A computer is a non-living thing. If you are going to step on it, it will get damaged, period. It can be an Apple laptop or a Chrome Google laptop or a Microsoft Surface Pro laptop or whatever. It is going to get crashed when you are going to step on it because it's just a machine, right? Unless and until there is an utility called electricity or internet services, the computers all become dummy. They cannot be, they are invalid. So for a non-living things, when people can provide that much care to provide software error code patches to fix it daily on a daily basis, right? Everybody knows worldwide that the software products, consumer products are error. Got it? And the software world like Microsoft, Apple, Google, they fear only me, nobody else. Why? They are also handcuffed mode. I already conveyed, so entire software world is in handcuffed mode. As a medical chief doctor, I will only seal and shut down all the Microsoft services, all the Google services, all the Apple services immediately, less than 1 second. So why? So that means they fear only me, nobody else. Got it? So they also know that I am the fastest working microprocessor in entire available processor. That means even Intel is the majority of the vendors for providing the microprocessors to the entire software world, right? And there are other competitors for Intel which I do not want to go. When I say Intel, everybody comes under that umbrella. So even they fear me because their design is also corrupted and their errors is also displayed by me, and only I can even guide them on designing on the microprocessor level. Got it? So that means every workforce and worldwide they fear me. You be it a cop, they fear they are going to lose their job for me. I already explained I am the excellent cop, right? And then if you are going to look into the FBI population, they are going to fear for their job because they are going to fear they are going to lose their job for me with me because I am an excellent FBI. I am excellent CIA agent. And I am excellent military. I am excellent army means everybody worldwide they are fearing for their job that they will lose it to me because I am excellent in every single operations. Got it? So that means I am educating wisdom, and yes, this new Democrat government will only listen to me because I have all the proof. I all have the proof, live proof that already the two presidents, right? The then President, Democrat President Obama, and then President, I will have to say then President Trump because the President services has been ended, right? So then President Trump. The two presidents are aware of hard labor I provided on the volunteer project which I worked on. I already explained, right? And with that, I already finished providing my patented complex design phase 1 already. So I have provided all the tasks to entire software world already. That means They are handcuffed mode and they are working on the task which I've only assigned to them for the past few years. Got it? So everywhere, it's all a teamwork means I don't know anybody. Everybody is totally stranger. So I also said that the software world, when I was providing that education through that, when I was working in a poverty-free world, earth, year at the year end of the year 2020 volunteer project, complex project, the software world initially thought I am a robot. Got it? So that means they were all searching for me. Because they want to identify me and get things done. And they ended up being aware that the software world could not buy me out. Because they all knew that the patented design is in my brain. Right? And the true patented blueprint of the design can never be stolen. Because it's also proved. I have proof for that. Okay, do you all want to know what is the proof for that? Okay, on the highest level I will say, and I will not go in details, right? Even if it is taking time, please be patient, because we all need to fix this deadliest scandal of Vatican. That is important. Okay, so one little proof I will provide. Okay, when I was working in the Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2020 volunteer project, there were different strangers who were working along with me as well. And I was only providing education, and I was only providing one task. I only provided only simplest task to the audience. And I told them, just listen patiently in silence and do the task I am asking to do. That's all I was providing. That is it. And then, in fact, I was running out all the 193 nations worldwide with my wisdom education alone. So that is a live proof that how and why entire world, entire national governments will listen only to me is the proof. I have the proof. So what are the proof? I will provide a proof layer by layer. Okay. I already said what? I finished the design phase 1. So design phase 2 and design phase 3 is what the entire software world and entire national operations are waiting for. They know that I only can provide the design solutions. Nobody can. Okay. And there is a proof for that. Okay. What are the accomplishments I provided in the design phase 1? When I worked on the volunteer project Poverty Free Earth, I merged Bayers and Monsanto. It is for a reason. Got it? Then alcohol giants, Lorillard and the Reynolds of USA and London got merged. It is all for a reason. Got it? Then all the software worldwide and the telecommunications, they were working on merging process, right? Like the Sprint with T-Mobile and like that. There were and the banks were merging with each other. It's all because of me, because of my tasks only they were doing that. Got it? And then the media. Right? The media can be any media. Even the media which I'm using is also media, right? So any media classification types worldwide, they're all working on the task which I provided already. And I will leave it as is, because I know the software world and IEM alone are in the same page on the task. Got it? So they know what task I assigned and I know what task I gave them. And that is why the software world is they fear only for me, nobody else in the earth. Because they all know once when I become the medical chief director and the supreme civil judge and the leader of Vatican, they know that I am going to ask a status report on this task I assigned to the Google, Microsoft and Apple and other media. Right? So that's why they fear. They are working on those tasks only. They fear only me. Okay? So, and that is one proof. And what is the another proof? Why the patented design, bulletproof design cannot be stolen. So because of my education only, Amazon and JP Morgan Chase and Berkshire Hathaway, they teamed up, they got merged. Why? What for? It is all because of my wisdom education. I asked them to merge and they merged immediately. Got it? And today Amazon is $1 trillion worth of a giant company. It's only because of me. So United States of America have to provide lot of salary to me. I own 100% shares of Amazon. I own Google. I own Apple. I own Microsoft. I own each media in United States of America and worldwide across the globe. I own each software services world, be it Hewlett Packard, right? Hewlett Packard is one giant company here. And I own Hewlett Packard. I will only seal and shut down for Hewlett Packard is providing a deadliest $1 trillion Medicaid, Medicare scandal. They cannot give any excuses. Hewlett Packard cannot give any excuses. I'll seal and shut it down. Just like that. So they fear me only. Got it? And Dell or Intel, everybody is handcuffed. It's just not only Republican government is handcuffed. Everybody is handcuffed. Google is handcuffed, Microsoft is handcuffed, everybody is handcuffed, and they all fear me only. And so I provided all the initial task, and it's all been done meticulously, correctly, and finished already. Got it? Whatever task I want, it's already been done. So United Kingdom, London, Queen of Elizabeth created tobacco giant Lori Lords, and the Reynolds tobacco giant of United States of America is merged. I want only that task to be done, and that task is done. That's it. So I wanted it is because of me only Amazon became $1 trillion giant only in the past only because I worked on the volunteer project, that Amazon became a giant only because of that. And for that alone, Amazon have to pay me a salary. Each media should pay me a salary, be it Apple, Google, or Microsoft, or any other media types available. Each media should pay me billions and trillions of dollars as a salary, because it is because of my wisdom education only they are all alive now, and they are all working on the task which I assigned, and they all got all the enough finance funding from the government already provided. Got it? It's all because of my design solutions already provided. So that is why I am telling the initial design phase 1 is complete, finished successfully. So we are all in the same page. It's a team process, right? So that is why software world and I are in the same page, without talking, without knowing anybody, without being total absolute strangers. Because I am the one who is providing the basic enterprise level architecture design solutions, right? So you name Oracle, you name McAfee, you name any other products, everybody is handcuffed right now. I already said nobody should be going to the workforce, means I was not joking. Right? When entire national operation has been scandal mode, absolute monarchs is Satan mode, why do the civilians even have to bother to go to the workplace? So each and every single public sector systems is broken, and each private sector public system service is also broken. They all come under umbrella of government operations only. Right? And nobody can give excuses, and they are all in a total shock mode right now, right? Software world must be in a absolutely shock mode, because they are all in a sealed and shut down mode. Got it? Because the crime is deadliest. I already said there is no excuse they can give. And what is the saddest part? Not even one single software world professionals knew that they are going to fall in a trap of Vatican scandal. Without any awareness only, they all fall in trap. So without knowing any scandal only, they even wrote the software lines of codes. And without any awareness only, the software products developed for public sector is also crime. It's a scandal. It's an error. And what is the reality? They cannot fix it, right? When for example, today, when President-elect Joe Biden is going to look into the Google, or look into Microsoft, Apple, or public sectors like welfare services or banking services like JP Morgan, and say, hey, go, just like that, change the softer lines like that? No, it is not. That is the deadliest hell President-elect Joe Biden can even throw to the innocent civilian world in the software world, I would say. Right? I already explained. It is not easy to do the code patch for the deadliest crime provided by Vatican, because every single line of the software code, from, I would say, from the starting first word to the end of the software, means zillions of lines of software codes is errored. So each word in the software line is also $1 trillion, $500,000 trillion worth of error. So I would say, for damaging the robots, right, for damaging the laptops, for damaging the Intel motherboard design, for damaging the computer services, the software services, Pope Francis should pay $500,000 trillion. I already said I am the only one who is going to bail out the software world, means I am the only one who is going to bail out Google, Microsoft, Apple, entire media, entire entertainment services, television channels, Oscar, Hollywood, movies, everybody I am going to only bail out. Everybody is handcuffed by me. So that is the severity of the scandal. Got it? So, so can you all see how the layer by layer by layer by layer, I am just decoding. Decoding is the software way of saying, of explaining things in an easy way, right? Decode and encode means when there is a communication that's been provided, there needs to be a healthy way of communication, right? So, and then there needs to be a secured way of communication. So that is why the decode and encode processing comes into the picture. So I would, and the military services, they say Morse code, right? So that means they do not want that secured communication to be known to the unhealthy people, because they will create more havoc. So I am the one who can eradicate robocall hell mandate. I am the one who can eradicate phishing, cyber attack, data breach, data leak, and all those hell also damages, right? Because I know the root cause and I know how to fix it. So, so I want you all to understand the severity of the damages done, not only for the government, layer by layer. We cannot even pause. So then everybody is made to look at Git mode. Got it? So the software world, Microsoft is made to look at guilt mode as of now. Then Google, Apple, and media, entertainment world population, they are made to look at guilt mode. And who is made to look holy, holy, holy always? Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer. And without knowing any awareness only, all this innocent population have been worshipping the deadliest Antichrist, the venomous, the wild human endangered species, as a god. So that needs to be stopped immediately. So that is why even when the new Democrat government is starting to do the operation, even before starting to do the operation, the first task the President Joe Biden must do without any fear is have Pope Francis get laid off immediately as of now. USA nation should stand always for the rightful wisdom ways, right? Should say loudest, hey, Pope Francis, resign now. Me, I am that I am, Vedapriya, will be the Vatican leader now, like that. So that means it has to be done in the rightful way. Right? I, Vedapriya, should be the Vatican leader. I, Vedapriya, should be the supreme chief civil judge of all nations across the globe. I, Vedapriya, a true civil doctor, true civil lawyer who never went to the law school, who never went to the medical school, only should be the chief medical director for entire medical services to lead and guide the medical world worldwide. Means the entire human kingdom is being bailed out by me on that spot, because I am the one who is going to provide guidelines after guidelines on how the government operation should be done. Okay, so that is why I am asking, please provide my live testimony, broadcasted in television, so that all nations, governments will all come and work as a team process, because everybody needs to be freed. right? All the nations is broken down in pieces. When I am going to guide you as a nation, all nations will be guided accordingly by default. And I will take care of all the nations as my own family because I am the true owner of all nations. Got it? And I will explain with the live proof why I am the true owner of all nations. Okay, and yes, and yes, and yes, and yes, and yes, USA is absolutely a USA nation, is a Tamil Nadu, and I own USA. Got it? So, President elect Joe Biden, do not have to fear me. Do not have to fear Satan's absolute monarchs anymore. We all, enough is enough of being slaves to the Vatican. Let's come out of that slavery. Right? Let's have a new heaven mode of a nation where everybody can live in peace and harmony without shedding tears of joy only forever. Let's have that kind of an environment mode. And for that, I only have to step in and provide all the guidelines because I have all the design solutions. And I already provided design phase 1, only design phase 2 and design phase 3 only must be provided. And I said I can provide the solutions fastest in Robo, right? So that is pretty much it, and I think I will have to end this session right now, and then I will continue with other session part 3 for sign of civil justice. Just understand that why it is very crucial for I alone should be the Vatican leader immediate, without any delay. And I would put again within the quotes that Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name, and there is a reason behind it. So these are all the civil justice sign-off that needs to be provided immediately. So I will take a break with this session and call it as a part 2 session, and I will provide the civil justice for domestic violence crime orphan in part C. Okay, thank you for your time. Take care. Bye now.